Do you really want to visit a rainforest? By Bridget Heos, illustrated by Daniele Fabbri. So you want to visit a tropical rainforest? Are you sure? True. Rainforests are full of amazing plants and animals. Some are beautiful, cute, or helpful, but others are a little scary. Plus, tropical rainforests are hot, hot, hot. Time to pack. You want to be prepared for the wet climate. You're off to the Amazon rainforest in South America. Rainforest checklist. Cool clothes, rain gear, swimming suit, life jacket, passport. Once you're there, climb aboard a riverboat. The jungle is thick with trees and plants, and there are not many roads. The Amazon River and its tributaries are the best way to travel through the rainforest. The temperature hovers in the high 80s Fahrenheit and is very humid. How about a swim with the pink river dolphins? They are dolphin species that lives in fresh water. Oh, look! That one is nothing here. Wait a second. That's not a dolphin. It's an electric eel. Quick! Back inside the boat before it zaps you. Watch the anacondas, piranhas, and stingrays. How about a swim with the pink river dolphins? They are dolphin species that lives in fresh water. Oh, look! That one is nothing here. Wait a second. That's not a dolphin. It's an electric eel. Quick! Back inside the boat before it zaps you. Watch the anacondas, piranhas, and stingrays. The Amazon has thousands of fish species, even more than the Atlantic Ocean. It's getting dark. That's the perfect time to explore the jungle. It's when many animals wake up. Look up, way up, the trees, which grow 100 feet tall, and then swinging vines are full of life. A sloth wakes up in a kapuk tree. It eats. It then goes back to sleep. It sleeps so much that algae grows on its fur. It is camouflaged against the green leaves. The macaw dines on fruit from the palm tree. The jaguar crouches on a branch, ready to pounce. Ooh, the jaguar wasn't after you. He was hunting a capybara, the world's largest rodent. They weigh about 140 pounds. Now it's raining. Well, what do you expect? This is the rainforest. It rains 250 days a year for 100 inches total. Watch your step. Oh no, you scrape your arm. Luckily, the rainforest is home to many people. They live in villages by the river, and they grow helpful plants in their medicine gardens. This matico leaf would help stop the bleeding. These Satari Maui people are starting a ritual. Would you like to watch? The wooden globes are filled with poison ants. The ants bite the older boys. It won't kill them, but it does hurt. It makes them tough. You have to be tough to survive in the rainforest, right? Well, either tough or very well camouflaged. Map of the world tropical rainforest. South America, Southern Africa and some parts of India, Thailand, Vietnam, and islands here. Do you really want to visit a rainforest? By Bridget Heos, illustrated by Daniele Fabbri.